test number 2 for the 423 guild battle coming up. Again, I'm going to take on Zistos, and this time he had slime going high, which really didn't go into the battle. And my slime, I'm hoping it would stay back and heal. You can see that all of Zeros's power is in slash. So I may need to do slash resistance. I'm not quite sure. But we'll see if just switching cloud and slime is going to make a difference at all. So we're going to go ahead and challenge him. You can see we both have slime, which is going to be on that top spot. I'm not sure if I'm going to need to take Summer Helena and maybe move her down to that third spot. So we're going to see how this one goes. All right, we're loading in. And let's see how we go. It's always interesting when it pauses the loading screen right here. That means the game is really thinking, because the way the game works is when the battle starts, it's already pre-decided. So the game right here is like running it internally. And now it knows. Okay, so she comes up and buffs slime. Okay, so he's going to go forward by himself. That's interesting. Drawing Esther down and drawing lightning down. Okay, so he does agility onto her, and she's got her piercing rate. So now I got Cloud out in front, and he's going to clap her. However, she's going to smack him, and lightning is going to come down and smack him, which is going to kill him. Okay, he's got the buff down. Now, what is she going to do? She's running down again, which I don't understand. Okay, now they're going to go up and do area attack resistance. Dude, slime just smacked that Esther. This slime should heal, yeah. Now they're both going to attack lightning, and then it's going to kill slime. How is Summer Helena going to do? Okay, no, she only got half. That's hate up. That slime healed again. Okay, so now that killed Summer Helena. All right, so what we're going to do is I think we're going to switch Cloud and Helena and see how we do. Now, the only thing is he's running 2 pseudo tanks in Lightning and in Esther. So, video number 3 coming up.